So guys, welcome to my channel. How to download motherboard Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to Gigabyte. This is official website gigabyte.com. Come on this first. Then this is search button and click to search. Then enter your model number of motherboard 6 A620MH. Then hit enter. Then click to product. See, this is A620MH. Then click to support. So first select your operating system. If you are using Windows 10 any, both installation process same. Audio driver, this is size. You just click to download. It will click to download. It will start downloading automatically. Then wait few seconds. Then just open, and then after download, open that, double click to launch. This is exe format. You can see this is exe. You can extract and after that you can install. If you are getting some issues, and then close it. It automatically close means this is installed. Chipset driver, AMD chipset driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. And it is complete. Then open, just double click, and then click to yes. Then install and then close it. LAN driver, Realtek LAN, and just click to download. It will start downloading. Just one click to open, and double click after download, and click to yes. Now this is extracting. Then close.